Welcome to Huawei News Channel. Honor models that will receive Emui 12. Emui 12 is rolling out for Huawei devices and comes with new features designed to improve your phone's software user experience compared to Emui 11. However, Honor phones will also receive the Emui 12 rollout to install the latest software update. However, we have already configured this software update rollout schedule before, but today we received information about more Honor devices that will receive the Emui 12 software update from June 2022. According to the information we have received, Emui 12 will also be released for older Honor phones, including Honor 8X, 9X, Honor 10, V10 and V20 devices. This information has been confirmed by the customer representative, but we need to wait for more information on this. By the way, it is a good sign of improvement that these phones are also placed in the Emui 12 world as they are already running Emui 10.0. Therefore, these phones will definitely have a new user experience that was not available before. If you like the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.